Hi folks, it's me again, Waldo. Today we are loading and packing a storage unit with household items. We started unloading our moving van, but first we line up some items on the hallway. Like this, we have options to choose from while doing the storage packing. We try to mix furniture and boxes while building transversal walls. Furniture goes in the bottom, heavy boxes go over the furniture. Light boxes, boxes marked fragile and delicate pieces of furniture go in the top layers. Tie-down ratchets are not used in storage units, so it's important to make sure the stacking is stable and firm. We bring in a Tempurpedic type of mattress. We lay some paper pads on the floor to keep the mattress clean. The storage packing must be tight. There are lots of items to be packed. We try to use all the vertical and horizontal space available. My crew is well trained, so the packing work runs pretty synchronized. Now we bring in a monster glass tabletop. It was very hard to take it downstairs, but we did it. Now one more heavy piece, it's a console piano. Well folks, that is it. Thanks for watching and God bless America.